My name is Teacher Gina. What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Girl, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Girl, how are you today?
I'm good.
You are good. Okay, we are going to have a mini speaking test. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the farm animals. Okay, so I'm going to show you the pictures and then you tell me animals, farm animals. Okay, so what animal is it?
It's a chicken.
Chicken. What animal is it?
It's a goat.
Goat. What animal is it?
It's a sheep.
What animal is it?
It's a horse.
Horse. What animal is it?
It's a snake.
Snake. Yes. What animal is it?
It's a cow.
Cow. What
It's
animal?
a spider.
Spider. What animal is it?
It's a duck.
What animal is it?
It's a bee.
Bee.
It's
What?
a ant.
It's an
Ants.
ant. Yes.
It's a pig.
Pig. What
It's
animal?
a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Okay, girl, what animal do you like?
I like cat and dog and fish.
Cat, dog, and fish. Wow. Okay. Now let me show you the animal map and then you tell me. These are all farm animals. So what animal do you see?
I see a lion.
Lion,
I
yes.
see a fox. I see a tiger.
Tiger, yes. Look here. What animal do you see here?
I see chicken.
You see chicken,
I
yes.
see duck.
You see duck, yes.
I see rabbit.
Rabbit, yes. Okay, that is good. Okay, so now, girl, let's move on to places, okay? So I'm going to show you the pictures and then you tell me the places. So, what place is it?
It's a supermarket.
Supermarket. What place is it?
It's a farm.
Farm. What place is
It's
it?
a restaurant.
Restaurant. What place is it?
It's a bookstore.
Bookstore. What place is it?
It's a hospital.
Yes. What place is it?
It's a zoo.
Zoo. What place is
It's
it?
a bakery.
Yes. What place is it?
It's an airport.
It's an airport. What place is it?
It's a cinema.
Cinema. What do you do there?
I watch movies.
You watch movies. What place is it?
It's a park. I
It's a
play
park.
with my friends.
You play with your friends. Yes, great job. Now let's move on to phonics. Okay, so I'm going to show you the letters and then you tell me the sound. What letter is it?
It's a T.
It sounds.
Z.
It sounds G. Very good. Ga, ga, ga. Okay,
It's a
yes.
dog.
Okay, so what is this?
It's a gift.
Gift. What's the beginning sound?
Hey,
Yeah, it's
Two
okay.
goats.
Yes, 2 goats. Yes, it's okay. What's the beginning sound? The beginning sound is G.
G.
G. Yes,
It's a
okay.
T.
What is this one?
It's a goat.
Goat. What's the beginning sound?
G.
G. G.
Goat.
Yes. What is this one?
Gorilla.
Gorilla. What's the beginning sound?
G.
Gorilla. Yes, very good. What letter is this?
Letter H.
Letter H sound.
H.
Ha. Very good. Okay. So what is this?
It's a house.
House. What's the beginning sound?
H.
Ha. Ha. House. Okay. What is this?
It's a hot dog.
Hot dog. Okay. What is this?
It's a hat.
Heart. What's the beginning sound?
H. H.
Heart. Very good. So it's heart. What letter is this?
It's a E.
I.
I.
Sounds.
E.
E. E. Yes. Okay. So what's this?
It's a
Insect.
insect.
Insect. So the beginning sound is E.
E.
Insect. Okay. What is this?
It's
Ant.
ant.
the beginning sound?
Ink.
Ink. Very good. What's this?
Iguana.
Iguana. What's the beginning sound?
Iguana.
Very good. Okay, great job, Gal. Gal, now let's move on to story. Okay. You're going to read the story. So, in town. Ready? Yes, okay. So, read the story to me.
In town, we buy candy.
Yes.
In town, we get haircuts.
Very good.
In town, we mail letters.
We mail letters. Yes.
In town, we shop for shoes.
Very good.
In town, we borrow books.
Yes, we borrow books.
In town, we go to a movie.
Yes, we go to a movie.
In town, we go to
We visit.
a museum.
Yes.
In town,
We.
eat at a restaurant.
Yes, great job, Gal. That is the end of today's test. Goodbye. Okay, goodbye, Gal.